Nityanandam. It's my privilege and honor to welcome our honored guests for the day and all the Sri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, and Tanedars of the Nityananda Pita for today's very special Living Shuddhadvaita process. We have a very special event today as we are honored to have with us the Sri Mahants, Mahants, and Sachivs of the Niranjani Akhada. I would like to start with giving a little bit background about the Niranjani Akhada. Niranjani Akhada is one of the 13 major akhadas in the Hindu monastic tradition. The Pradhana Devata, the presiding deity of the Niranjani Akhada, is Lord Kartikeya. This akhada has the largest number of sadhus among the 13 akhadas. Niranjani Akhada boasts of administering one of the most sacred and famous temples of India. To name a few, the famous Amarnath temple at Amarnath and the Manasa Devi Mandir at Haridwar. Niranjani Akhada is also one of the 3 main Shaivite akhadas. According to the Akhada tradition, the Panch is the governing body of the Akhada, who administers and runs the Akhada. All the decision of the Akhada is taken by the Panch. We have today literally the entire Panch of the Niranjani Akhada with us. I will now move on to introducing the sons on the stage. First is Mahant Narendra Giriji Maharaj. Mahant Narendra Giriji is the member of the Panch of Niranjani Akhada and also the Adhyaksh, president of Akhila Bharatiya Akhada Parishad. Akhila Bharatiya Akhada Parishad is the governing body of all the 13 akhadas of the Hindu Sannyas Sampradaya. It organizes the Kumbh Mela, the world's largest gathering of humanity on the planet. Mahant Narendra Giriji is a Balasant and also the head of Bagambari Mutt, which manages the famous Lord Hanuman temple at the Triveni Sangam, Allahabad. Mahant Narendra Giriji is the greatest defender and protector of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Next we have the Sri Mahant Dharmaraj Bharatiji, who is the Sri Mahant of Niranjani Akhada and also the head of Gujarat. He looks after the Akhada mutts and temples in western India. Next, we have with us Sachiv Sri Ashish Giriji Maharaj. He is the Mahant of Varanasi and Allahabad. And looks after the temples and Akhada properties in Allahabad and Varanasi. The famous Varanasi Kamakhya temple is managed by Niranjani Akhada. I now humbly request our beloved Swamiji to welcome the guests for the day.
नित्यानन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे आनन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे नित्यानन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे 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 गोविन्द गोपाल केशव माधव नारायण राजीव लोचन आदि सनातन नित्यानन्दम् आनन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे नित्यानन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे 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 गोविन्द गोपाल केशव माधव नारायण राजीव लोचन आदि सनातन नित्यानन्दम् आनन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे.
As we have a wonderful opportunity to hear from the sons who are sharing the stage with Swamiji today, I now request the honored guests and the sons to share a few words with the Nityananda Pita, with all the Srimans, Mahants, Kotaris and Tanedars of the Nityananda Pita. First, we request the Adhyaksh, the president of Akhila Bharati Akhada Parishad, Mahant Narendra Giriji Maharaj, to share a few words with us.
आप सभी लोग जोर से बोलिएगा शंकर भगवान की। सर्वप्रथम अब महाराज श्री के आभारी हैं।
First of all, I am very grateful to Swamiji.
आज सुबह सुबह शंकर जी का अद्भुत अभिषेक, ऐसा अभिषेक हमने लाइफ में देखा नहीं।
Today morning I saw a very grand Abhishek of Lord Shiva. I have not seen it any time earlier in my life.
हमारे साथ जो संत महंत लोग आए हैं, सब ने प्रशंसा की कि बहुत सुंदर। कल हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि 6 बजे तैयार हो पाएंगे कि नहीं हो पाएंगे, लेकिन महाराज जी का आशीर्वाद लग गया। हम सभी संत महात्मा 4 बजे उठ गए सुबह।
Yesterday when we arrived here, we were having this doubt whether we will be able to be ready by 6 o'clock. But I think with divine grace, we got up at 4 and we were ready.
महाराज श्री के यहाँ मैं दूसरी बार आया। आपके यहाँ आके ये देख के लगता है कि महाराज जी कार्य करने की क्षमता बहुत तीव्र है।
I have come here for the second time, and looking at the whole organization, I can tell Swamiji is extremely efficient and effective.
आप सब अपने को धन्य मानिए कि आप सब भाग्यशाली हैं जो आप महाराज जी के शरण में हैं और महाराज जी के शिष्य बने हैं। महाराज जी द्वारा सनातन धर्म के लिए जो भी यहाँ से हो रहा है, उज्जैन के मेले में लगभग सभी प्रसिद्ध संत आए थे, सभी आचार्य महामंडलेश्वर आए थे, सभी अखाड़े आए थे, लेकिन वहाँ के आने वाले जो भक्त थे सबसे ज़्यादा अगर लाइक किए तो महाराज जी को।
Basically, he is saying that we all should be extremely grateful to have Swamiji as a guide, mentor, Sadguru. And also he is saying that when he went to Ujjain, so many organizations, spiritual organizations came, but ours was standing out not only in terms of their glory, but the number of people and the kind of devotees which were there.
आप देखिए, महाराज जी द्वारा अभी एक नई खोज है, दिव्य दृष्टि। महाराज जी के शिष्यों ने कल हमें रात्रि में दिखाया। अगर कोई प्रश्न मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, मुझे कोई तकलीफ़ है, तो बिल्कुल आपके शिष्यों ने वही बताया, कहीं गलत कोई बताया नहीं। हमें आश्चर्य हुआ कि इतना छोटा विद्यार्थी इतने कम उम्र में इतनी बड़ी जानकारी अगर प्राप्त हो रही है तो वह महाराज जी के तप और महाराज जी के द्वारा किया गया जो कार्य है भगवान के प्रति इनकी तपस्या, वह उस बालक के ऊपर लागू होती है कि महाराज जी अपने तप के बल पे इतनी बड़ी दिव्य दृष्टि अपने विद्यार्थियों को दे रहे हैं।
Yesterday, Maharaj had a demo of the third eye, so which is calling Divya Drashti. He says that Swamiji is able to bestow that blessing, and they are able to diagnose so precisely. They are not telling something less or more. Very precisely, they are able to tell the problem, and this is a great, great blessing which is getting passed on.
जैसा आप सभी लोग जानते हैं, सनातन धर्म पे काफ़ी लोग की कुदृष्टि पड़ी हुई है। सनातन धर्म को ख़त्म करने के लिए, समाप्त करने के लिए तमाम ऐसी संस्थाएं चल रही हैं, लेकिन वह उनका जो प्रभाव इसलिए नहीं हो रहा है कि हमारे देश में महाराज जी जैसा कोई संत यहाँ पे है जिसके तप के बल पे जो सनातन धर्म के ऊपर निगाहें लगाए बैठे हैं, उनका विनाश हो रहा है। यह महाराज जी के तप से, महाराज जी के कार्य योजना के अनुसार। और महाराज जी के जो कार्य क्षेत्र है, आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे हमारे सनातन धर्म के प्रति लोगों को अश्रद्धा पैदा करने के लिए जो कार्रवाई की जा रही है, अगर कोई लड़ रहा है तो वह महाराज से लड़ रहे हैं।
There are a lot of organizations which are having evil eye towards Sanatana Dharma, and they are not succeeding because we have, gurus like Swamiji. It is not only happening in the physical world, but also in the social media. There is a lot of attack going on, but Swamiji is like a strong force which is not only opposing it, but giving inspiration to all of us to stand against that attack.
स्वामी जी का जन्म, मुझे लगता है कि वह इनका जो जन्म हुआ वह भारत देश के लिए, सेवा के लिए, भारतीय सनातन धर्म की परंपरा को रक्षा करने के लिए हुआ। और हम सभी संत महात्माओं की तरफ से उस माँ को आभार व्यक्त करते हैं जिसने इस अद्भुत स्वामी जी का जन्म दिया।
Maharaj is saying that we are expressing our deep gratitude that Swamiji has taken birth in this physical form to take up such grand responsibilities. To protect Sanatana Hindu Dharma, the attack which is going on, to revive Sanatana Hindu Dharma.
स्वामी जी के कार्य को देख करके, स्वामी जी का तप, स्वामी जी का ध्यान, हर क्षेत्र को देख करके हमारे जितने अखाड़े, 13 अखाड़ों में आपकी प्रशंसा जिस गति से, जिस प्रभाव से हुई, उसको देख करके जो सनातन धर्म को नहीं मानने वाले व्यक्ति थे, आज वो भी स्वामी जी को याद करते हैं और स्वामी जी के प्रति अपनी श्रद्धा व्यक्त करते हैं।
So Swamiji's, all the fruits of Swamiji's tapa and dhyan and whatever penance he has done, common people are also understanding, but all the akhadas are also appreciating the great contribution that Swamiji has done.
अखिल भारतीय अखाड़ा परिषद का अध्यक्ष होने के नाते हम सभी संतों की तरफ से स्वामी जी का कोटि कोटि अभिनंदन, कोटि कोटि स्वागत। और स्वामी जी सनातन धर्म की पताका को इतना ऊंचाई तक ले जाएं। अब मुझे लगता है कि आप सफल रहेंगे कि एक समय ऐसा आएगा कि पूरे विश्व में सनातन धर्म की पताका फहराएगी।
As the president of Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad, I want to, thank Swamiji that through his contribution, soon in the whole world, the flag of Sanatan Hindu Dharma will fly high and it will resonate with the whole humanity.
अंत में इस आश्रम में रहने वाले सभी व्यक्ति, सभी अनुयायी, सभी सन्यासी, सभी विद्यार्थी, आप सबको हम सभी संतों की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद, आपका आभार कि आप लोगों ने बहुत स्वागत किया हम लोगों का। और स्वागत देख करके, सेवा देख करके सभी संत प्रसन्न हुए। बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत ही श्रद्धा से, बहुत ही अपने मन से हम लोगों का स्वागत किया, अभिनंदन किया। इसलिए स्वामी जी के आश्रम में रहने वाले सभी लोगों को हम आभार व्यक्त करते हैं और आप सब लोगों को कोटि कोटि आशीर्वाद। हरि ओम तत्सत।
I am extremely grateful for the hospitality, the very personal hospitality that I have received from from Swamiji first of all, and from all the Adinan Vasis, all the people who are staying here, all the volunteers, everyone. Basically, he is thanking all of us that he has received a very personal touch in our hospitality, and he is greatly feeling honored by that.
Thank you, Adeshi. Thank you so much. Every time it's such a pleasure to hear from Mahant Narendra Giriji Maharaj. We thank all the dignitaries for joining us here, and we'll be continuing with the Living Shuddhadvaita process. Thank you.
सदाशिव समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वंदे गुरु परंपराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today we have a special, different Living Shuddhadvaita process. We have the honored guests sitting with us. We have honored guests sitting with us. Literally, the head of the Sanatana Hindu Dharma. First I wanted to introduce Srimad Narendra Giriji Maharaj. Not only is the member of the Niranjani Akhada Panch, he is also the president of the Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad, which is the governing body of all the 13 Akhadas of Hindu Sannyasa Sampradaya. Understand how, even though there are many organizations in Christianity, Catholic Church is the oldest and largest apex body of the Christianity. Same way, even though there are many organizations in Hinduism, Akhada Parishad is the oldest and largest organization, apex body of Hinduism. Swamiji Narendra Giriji Maharaj is the head of the Akhada Parishad, literally Pope of Hinduism. all the Dasanami Sampradaya, Puri, Giri, Vana, Tirtha, Aranya, Bharati, Indra, Saraswati, all the Dasanamis, Bairagis, and Vaishnava Akhadas, all the 13 Akhadas come under Akhada Parishad, which has more than 10 lakh sannyasis. And 1 lakh ashrams and temples. All the major temples, Kashi Annapurna temple, are Amarnath, Mansa Mandir, the Kolhapur Mahalakshmi, all the major temples of India, Mahakaleshwar, all of them come under these 13 Akhadas, which comes under the whole Akhada Parishad. So understand, Akhada Parishad is the largest and oldest apex body of Hinduism. Narendra Giriji Maharaj is head of the Akhada Parishad. He is literally Pope of Hinduism. Ten lakh sannyasis are under him. The moment he gives any statement or instruction or guidance, 10 lakh sannyasis gather to execute it. And we do have today Sri Mahant of Dharmaraj Bharati ji, Sri Mahant of Niranjani Akhada. He is head of all the Niranjani Akhada branches in all over Gujarat. All over Gujarat, many mutts and temples Niranjani Akhada has. Maharaj is the head of all the branches of Niranjani Akhada. Sachiv Shri Ashish Giriji Maharaj is the Mahant of Varanasi and Allahabad. He looks after all the temples, properties Niranjani Akhada has in Allahabad and Varanasi. In that area, the famous Kamakhya temple is managed by Niranjani Akhada, and that is managed by Maharajji Ashish Giriji Maharaj. Literally today we have the whole punch. Of course, we do have Swami Ravindra Puriji Maharaj also, Srimant Ravindra Puriji Maharaj from Niranjani Akhada, but he's in the room doing his morning puja. He heads all the Haridwar temples and branches of Niranjani Akhada, which has a huge Manasa Mandir. If you have gone to Haridwar, from Arkipuri you can see a temple on the hill. That Manasa Mandir is under the Niranjani Akhada. Niranjani Akhada has a college, Sannyas College, and many institutions. A large property, half of the Haridwar belongs to Niranjani and the remaining half belongs to Nirvani. Only very few people are outsiders in the whole Haridwar. Half is for Niranjani and half is owned by Nirvani, and outsiders have only small petty shops. And Haridwar, yes, this is the temple, the Manasa Mandir, belongs to Niranjani Akhada. Sri Mahant Ravindra Puriji Maharaj is the head of the Niranjani Akhada in Haridwar, and thousands and thousands of large temples, ashrams, monasteries are run by all the 13 Akhadas. Lakhs of sannyasis. So, Akhada Parishad forms the backbone structure of the whole Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Today, the whole punch of the Niranjani Akhada is here to grace all of us. I invited them to come and spend few days here because I am spending continuously time in Bangalore Adinam preparing for Sadashivoham 2016. I invited all the Srimahans and Panch of Niranjani Akkada to come and spend few days here. So they have come as honored guests and graced us today. We will also be having a larger, all the Sachivs, Srimahans, Mahans and the whole Niranjani Akkada coming after Diwali. There will be one more larger meeting happening in Nityananda Peetham, Bangalore, Adinam. We are working together to make a lot of good things for Sanatana Hindu Dharma and future strategy planning to raise the Sanatana Hindu Dharma all over the world. Maharaj is not only literally Pope of Hinduism, he is very active and very responsible for spreading Sanatana Hindu Dharma, very active. And I tell you, people who are so active, intense, sincere, like Naga Sannyasis and the Akkada Parishad and Akkadas, still Hindu Dharma is alive. Hindu Dharma is alive just because of Akkadas and the Naga Sannyasis and Akkada Parishad, of course, under the able guidance of Srimahant Narendra Giriji Maharaj. It is not just little work, it's a lot of thinking, meditating, tapas, strategy planning, reaching out. That is why all the other religions are in the mode of sunset, dwindling down. Sanatana Hindu Dharma is in the mode of sunrise, going up, up, up all over the world. Understand? The countries where other religions are rooted, if you ask the church-going ratio, it's hardly 2%. In India, the temple-going ratio is 97%. Understand? I can give you 1,000 ways to make you understand how Sanatana Dharma is being taken to the next level by the Akkada Parishad under the able guidance of Srimahant Narendra Giriji Maharaj and all the sadhus, sons of Niranjani Akkada. So I welcome all of them with my love and respect today. We are honored, and Maharaji, I welcome you on my behalf and on behalf of the Nityananda Sangha globally, all over the world. I think today, seeing all the sadhus, listening to their words and blessings is enough LSP for all of you. And we also have a lot of preparations to be done. Already the Kurmasana is getting established for the Nityananda Sabha to be built. We are planning the Nityananda Sabha to accommodate 3,000 participants and 500 volunteers. It is almost 50,000 square feet carpet area, and the supporting mechanism, kitchen dining hall and the welcome center and temple Yagashala, all is getting ready for 5,000 people to use at a time. And a huge establishment is happening, preparation for Sadashivoham. I welcome all of you to come and experience Sadashivoham. all the spiritual alchemy products are also getting ready for Sadashivoham. So, today's LSP process is my invitation. Get ready to come and celebrate, experience Sadashivoham 2016. Next weekend we also have a special LSP process, decoding the Maya matrix. I'll be decoding the Maya matrix in the next Living Shuddhadvaita process next Sunday, next weekend. I request all the participants to finish watching the matrix, part 1, part 2, part 3. Please finish watching the matrix, part 1, part 2, part 3, and come back. I'll be helping you to decode, understand the Maya matrix, and the whole session will be about Maya matrix. Understand? So watch the Matrix 1, Matrix 2, Matrix 3 movie. All the three. It is based on Hindu concept of Asadoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. So these three statements are the essence of this Matrix movie 1, 2, 3. So please watch it and come. I'll answer all your questions and decode the Maya matrix. So this is the assignment for all of you for this week. Understand the essence of this LSP session. I welcome all of you to experience Sadashivoham 2016 and watch the matrix, all three parts, and come. Next week I'll be decoding the Maya matrix on Sunday. Next LSP process I'll be decoding Maya matrix. The next week decoding the Maya matrix webinar will be open to all. Open to all. Welcome all your friends, family, everyone. Gather all over the world in all our ashrams, branches, adinams, temples and gurukuls and vidyalayas, universities. So, I welcome every one of you. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Be blissful.